Welcome. In this video, I will share some of the most important battery saving tips for your OPPO Pad 5. So let's go to settings and let's see what we can change in here. Let's start with the display and brightness settings. So one of the most important things is our screen refresh rate. If you want to ensure the best battery life for your device, use either auto select or standard refresh rate. The auto select, I think, is the better option, as it will adjust your refresh rate automatically while keeping your battery at low usage. The high refresh rate, of course, looks better, but it will also consume more of your battery. Also, if you feel comfortable with it, you can switch to the dark mode instead of using the light one, as it will consume much less of your battery power. And you can also disable, if you don't want to use the dark mode, you can simply disable the auto brightness and manually change, or rather decrease, the auto brightness to the level you still feel comfortable with. Also, check out the battery menu on your smartphone, on your tablet. Here you'll not only be able to see all the applications that use the most battery on your device, so you can manage them later, but also you can enable the power saving mode. Now, the power saving mode is the feature that has been around for a while, but right now it is customizable, and we can actually adjust our power saving mode to our needs, and we can disable all the features that we will need, or enable the ones that we do, in order to balance it for our performance. And this way you can use your device with power saving mode all the time, basically, just having it adjusted to your personal needs. Also, go to battery health at the bottom and make sure to enable the smart charging feature, or if you now here we have two smart charging features actually, so we can either enable the smart charging or custom charging limit. Now, if you enable smart charging, your tablet will automatically adapt to your charging routine. So if you have one, for example, you leave your tablet for charging before you go to sleep, then the tablet will automatically charge itself to 80%, and then then it will reach 100% right before you wake up. Or you can just select a custom charging limit. In case you don't have such routine, then you'll just be able to limit your battery charging, and this will as well prevent your battery from aging. Also, make sure to enable this additional feature, which will resume battery charging at 94%, which means that it will stop charging your tablet at 100 and then drop down to 95 and then recharge it to 100 to keep your device from overcharging. Also, if you are gaming on your tablet and it is connected to the battery, well, generally it is not the good practice, but if you want to do no harm to your device's battery, go to charging settings while doing that, and having your device connected to the charger, switch this toggle to the right, and then also adjust the threshold, and this will supply power to the system instead of your battery, so you will not only have the better experience gaming on your device while it's charging, but it will also take care of your device's battery. And one important tip, which is not in settings or anywhere, is to not discharge your device completely before you connect it to the charger, as this is one of the most harmful practices for your battery. So whenever you charge your device, leave it a bit charged before doing so. I mean, of course, if your device is fully discharged, you'll have no other option but to connect it to the charging adapter. Just be aware that doing this on regular will seriously harm your battery health. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.